Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight assemblies in a Mazda B4000. This is a 2005. I like it. It's almost a Ford Ranger, just different enough to be somewhat inconvenient. So over here I already have the other one out. This is the new one. Came with a nice new bulb, which is nice, but I already got some LEDs that I'll replace later. So I'm going to show you. This one's already halfway out. I'm just going to show you how to do it. So you see it's not like a Ford Ranger where you've got the pull tabs right here. You got these two, and you gotta just like come out in here, and this one's already like half off because I just took it off. But you just pull this off. Sometimes it's not super easy, just like that. This one's a little bit rusted. Might get a new one soon. But you can see these like right here. These guys, they might get latched in those grooves, so you might need like pliers or something to pull them out of there. Here's another one down here. There's only two of them, so you just grab it and yank it out. Obviously mine wasn't even on there because I just took it off. Sometimes it might be a little bit harder, so you might want to get a screwdriver and get in like right here and pry it off. There's three total. There's only two of these, but there's another one that's a little bit different. I can show you on this. So you've got this guy right here. This one in the bottom. It's got these two kind of you press them in on each side. You see it? But if you get those first two off, this one and this one, you can just yank the whole thing out if you take the wire harness off first, which would be smart. And it will come out with just this whole assembly right here. I'll show you. So this bolt kind of comes and sits in this rubber right here. This little rubber ball right in the middle. And this plastic holds it on, so if you can't for some reason get this off, or if you just want to get it out really quick and change the light bulb, then I guess you can do that. But you got to go underneath, and I'll show you where it is, and then you press these two in, and then you push the whole thing out. But it kind of sucks trying to get this bolt back in this rubber, but it's not horrible. So I'll show you where that is underneath. It's fairly easy to get to, unless you have like Bigfoot hands. I think you can reach it. So for this old one, it's not all the way in, obviously, because I took it out, but it's pretty easy to see. So it's actually that guy right there. See him? So you just reach up in here, grab it, and then press those two things in. It's this guy. Press it in. It's already out anyway, so all I gotta do is just push it. Yep. Is it out? No. There you go. Okay. And your light's gonna come out, your headlight assembly. Just like that. And then just take this off. See that? It's got those two pushy guys. Like I said, this thing comes off. Since this is an old one, I'll do it for you. But you can just kind of yank this whole guy off, and it'll look like this. It'll just be stuck in this corner right here. So it'll look like that. And then you just get in around the back and undo it. Since that's an old one, I'll just leave that there. So installation of the new one, it's really easy. For adjusting, you're going to want to use these guys. You can just screw them down or on. That's just make sure, obviously, that your light's not pointing right at the ground. I'll do that later once it's nighttime and I can turn the lights on. But yeah, so you've got these guys. Yeah, it's just the same thing. So the prongs for this wire harness broke off a while ago, so I've just been kind of slapping it on. Haven't had any problems with it. It's fairly cheap plastic, apparently. Just slap it on. I'll make sure it works. All right. Just come in here and. Alright. Yep, look at that. It's a little, you can't really see very well in this light, but it's definitely coming out. It looks a lot nicer than my old ones. So that's good. Let's see how it brights. Okay, yep, a little bit more visible. That's gonna be a lot nicer. You can actually see now. So now all you do is you get these old guys right here. You push this in. You see that down there. This guy right here. They're a little bit. There's just like a ledge right here. I don't know if you can see it. So there's get out of the sun. Yeah, you see this right here? That ledge. It kind of snaps on, or doesn't snap on, but it gets in the way of this. So you just kind of have to press it on. And then what you can do is just put these guys back on, just slap them on. You can put them on hard enough that it'll stay, but try not to get these like latched in there unless you're gonna go like super off-roading or something, because it's a pain in the ass trying to get those things off. So, yep, there you go. 2005 Mazda B4000. And apparently they don't make aftermarket lights. It's not that I didn't know of. I looked. Maybe I'm not good. If you know any, let me know.